Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy macaroni soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of elbow macaroni, which is perfect for a family-sized portion. Also, have 4 cups of your favorite chicken or vegetable broth on hand. Don't forget 1 cup of mixed vegetables, like carrots and peas, for added nutrition and color. These basic items are the foundation for a delicious and comforting meal that comes together quickly. Now, let's get that macaroni perfectly cooked. Begin by boiling 6 cups of water in a large pot. Once it's at a rolling boil, add 1 teaspoon of salt to season the water. Then, introduce your 2 cups of elbow macaroni. Cook it for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite. Finally, drain the macaroni well and set it aside. We will add it to the soup later. Next, we will build the rich flavors of our soup. In a separate pot, sauté 1/2 cup of chopped onions in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are translucent. Then, add your 1 cup of mixed vegetables and cook them for about 5 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly. Pour in the 4 cups of broth and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and adjust salt to your liking for a balanced taste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a comforting bowl of soup. Gently stir the previously cooked macaroni into your simmering broth and vegetable mixture. Allow the soup to heat for just 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the macaroni is warmed through without becoming mushy. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated cheese. Serve your delicious, easy macaroni soup immediately and savor every warm, flavorful spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.